Welcome to our guide on clearing your browser cache. Today, we'll explore what browser cache is and why it's essential to keep it clear for optimal browsing. Have you noticed your web pages loading slower or sometimes showing outdated content? These are signs that it may be time to clear your cache. Let's start with Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner, select More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files, and hit Clear Data. On Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots on the top right, go to Settings, then Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to Clear Browsing Data. Click Choose what to clear, select Cached Images and Files, and Clear. If you're using Safari, go to Preferences from the menu bar. Then navigate to the Privacy tab and click on Manage Website Data. Choose Remove All to clear your cache. For mobile users, accessing cache clearing options may vary. On Chrome and Firefox, access settings through the browser menu. For Safari on iOS, go to Settings, find Safari, and select Clear History and Website Data. Regularly clearing your cache can lead to faster loading times, more storage space, and a smoother browsing experience. It also ensures you're viewing the most current version of websites. In conclusion, maintaining a clean browser cache is vital for optimal performance. We covered steps for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Remember to clear your cache regularly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.